So it wasn't long after Naledi's come up that she started facing so many backlashes from the internet. You feel me? For a lot of reasons, cause ukele uyapapa. You.
Ow! Yo!
Hayibo.
Yo!
Hayibo.
Okay, into engitshela ukuthi kumele ngiqhubeke no-music journey. Okay, Chris Brown. Yabo,
Wow.
I'm Chris Brown.
Like,
And then lokho ukuthi besicule eklasini back then, it's because ukucula vele into yabo ade siyenze ekhaya vele wonke umuntu ngiphuma kwi-background vele kuyacula ekhaya. I don't know if you know uSiswami Nontokozo.
oh, who does
Yeah, ilokho kutshela lokho ukuthi vele ekhaya vele becula but umuntu ongicaciselile indlela